Welcome! In front of me is a Motorola Razr 50 Ultra, and today I'll show you how we can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once the content you want to capture is visible, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You have the sound along with the pop-up that allows you to email, edit, share, Google Lens, and delete the screenshot in that order. And as you also seen, it does disappear after a moment if you don't tap on any of them. Now once it disappears, you can find the actual screenshot in your Photos application, so I will open that up. And in here, you will want to navigate to Library, and here you'll find Screenshot Album. Now if it's not visible right here, maybe you're trying to find your screenshots later on. These get kind of replaced with whatever has been newest edited. So if you capture, for instance, normal photos, it might show up with a camera right here or whatever. So if you don't see it, you can click on View All, and this will then display all the albums. And obviously from here, select Screenshot Album, where you will find your screenshot. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.